How to convert multiple images into a single PDF on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to combine all your images into a one PDF file quickly and easily. First, open the folder containing all the images you want to combine. Let me show you. After that, select all the images by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select everything, or hold Ctrl and click on each image individually to select specific ones. From there, right-click on any of the selected images to open the context menu. At this point, click on Print from the options that appear. In the next step, the Windows Print dialog box will open, showing all your selected images. From there, click on the Printer dropdown at the top and select Microsoft Print to PDF from the list. At this stage, choose your preferred paper size and layout. Let me show you. Select Fit Picture to Frame to make sure each image fills the page properly. Following this, click on Print to begin the conversion process. Once done, a Save dialog box will appear. Choose where you want to save the PDF file and give it a name. From there, click on Save and all your selected images will be combined into a single PDF file at that location. At this stage, open your saved PDF to confirm all the images are included and in the correct order. Finally, if you need to convert images regularly, consider downloading a free tool like Adobe Acrobat Reader or PDF24 from their official websites. These give you more options for merging and organizing images into PDFs with better quality control. And that's it. If this guide helped you convert multiple images into a single PDF on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.